In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple projects in Monday.com. We'll walk through how to move from a single project setup to a more organized structure using workspaces and how to quickly jump between the different projects you're working on. First, open Monday.com and make sure you're on your account's homepage. From here, you'll usually see a panel on the left where your workspaces and boards live. Look for the area where your current project is listed. In this example, it's shown as a board called Single Project. Go ahead and click that so you can see how your existing work is currently organized. Now notice which workspace this board lives in. Typically, you'll see something like Main Workspace at the top of the left sidebar. Click on that workspace name. This opens the workspace menu and is where you'll be able to create and manage spaces for different projects. Next, create a new workspace. Look for an option labeled New Workspace and click it. This is where you'll start separating your different projects so they're not all jumbled together. You might create one workspace per client, team, or department. Once the workspace is created, select it from the list so you're actively inside that new space. Inside your new workspace, you'll see boards related to that area. For example, you might have boards like Project, Inventory Management, or Content. Click into one of these boards, such as Inventory Management, to open it. This lets you confirm that the right work is grouped under the right workspace. At the top of the screen, you'll notice controls and menus related to the workspace itself. Some options may appear as icons or three-dot menus. Click these highlights to open the workspace management options. Here, choose Manage Workspace. This area is important when you're handling multiple projects because it's where you control who has access and how everything is organized. In the Workspace Management view, you'll see sections like Recents and specific boards such as Content. Use Recents to quickly jump back to boards you've worked on across different projects. When you're switching between several projects in a day, this becomes a time saver. You'll also see options related to members and permissions, such as All Members in Work Management and Manage Users. Open these to review who's part of your team, then use the back button to return to your workspaces once you're done. Finally, from the home page, you can repeat this process. Open Manage Workspace, switch to another workspace, use Recents to access active boards, and move between projects without losing track of where anything lives.